Now we will create the asset by downloading and uploading the sheet. Okay, so we can download the sheet from here, import asset and the download sample template. So in the template, we can see this is the file for that. Okay, we can select the company for that, then the branch for the asset. Okay, the item name, the brand, the model, category, subcategory, type. Okay, ID for that, status, current status which we want to update, then the assignee. If all the employees are there, then we can select that. Okay, single selection. Then the room name, then the seat name. Okay, text preference. Okay, okay, then the description for that, the condition, the serial number, purchase date, warranty date, vendor, purchase price item, and the purchase invoice number. So we can fill this over here, and if we upload it over here, then all the details will be updated. So let's see a basic case in which we will be filling for the Bizcom company. Okay, then the head office. Now, if we create something here, okay, like previously we had one item which was monitor. Now I am changing the name to the new monitor. Okay, now this item will be created directly. Okay, we don't have to just select this item came from the Bizcompass. Okay, we can even create it and write it here. Then brand. So previously we had one brand which was HP. Now if I write it over here like Dell, then the new brand will be created in that. Okay, sorry. Then we can even create the model for that. So previously 15-inch monitor was that. So currently I'm writing as 14-inch monitor. Okay, then the category and subcategory. Okay, now we do have to select these two things. Okay, because it is not created directly when we upload the file, but all the other things will be created directly, new created, if we just need to add this name. Okay, so then there is item type. Okay, these are the fixed item type, fixed, sellable and consumable, so we have to select it. Now the asset ID for that, then the status. Okay, we can see all the status over here. Then the assignee, if employees are over here. Okay, we have employees, then we can select it from that. Now the room and the seat. Okay, we can even create the room and seat just by writing it and uploading this file. Okay, currently I'm selecting as developer room, and the seat will be third number. Then the text preference, currently selecting as non-taxable. Description, so new monitor. Okay, then the condition for that, we can even create it from here. The serial number, the purchase date, warranty date. Okay, now let's just save this. Okay, now as it's saved, let's upload it and see the details over here. Okay, so we can see the details for that over here. And if we do next, okay, this is the columns for that. And when create, we can see there is a pop-up for number of records added. And if something is error, like I have not selected the category or subcategory, selected wrong room, then seat. Okay, so we will get the error here. Okay, and 4 inserted, so this is the number for that. Okay, now we can see the asset 4 is here. Okay, the new monitor category. Okay, the model name. Okay, so this is how we can create this asset in bulk. Now previously we have seen that when creating the asset, okay, we need to select the item. We need to create the item as well. So if we want to add the asset in the same item, like want to add this another asset in the monitor item, so for that we need to go to the beginning asset stock. Okay, so here we can see these details. Okay, let's just refresh it and we will see the new data. Okay, now here we can create it like I am adding the new asset in the same item, which is monitor for the company Bizcom. Okay, then the branch, the quantity will be 2. the serial number and the warranty if want to select, then the condition. Okay, selecting as new, vendor name, then the price and the invoice. So purchase invoice 2. Okay. Okay, here we can see the details. Okay, now if we create, so the same asset will be created for the item monitor. Okay, we can check it over here. So here the two new are created, and we can even export the data for that. Yes, we can select the status if you want to filter out the status wise. Now there is another one which is vacant seat. So as we have created 5 seats previously. Okay, now if you want to allocate to anyone, we can select the candidate name. So what is the use for this? Now in the recruitment process we do require the system for the practical exam and etc. So if none is assigned to the user, okay, or the employee, or employee has not arrived yet, not clocked in yet, so we can see the details for the available seat over here. Okay, if employee do clock in, then this will be updated to not available or say allocated. Okay, so for the candidate we can allocate it from here and also from the recruitment's opening master. Okay,